a lot of parties assume that we are members of the elected opposition. Our decision of the NEC, it's not an individual decision, but our decision of the NEC in Jubilee. And we continue working with all our colleagues and parties in the elected opposition very respectively, working towards a point at which we will discuss the presidential candidature and what will happen in our participation in the elections in 2027. And all that we are doing with full respect and understanding that in democratic parties people have rights to express themselves, have rights to belong, have rights to associate and engage however they choose to engage. But leader too, despite the fact that he's a retired head of state, he has a right to engage, he has a right to participate. After all, it makes nonsense over a claim to be about party democracy if we are going to